Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another vlog. This is your Black Wiser here. Welcome, namaskar. I'm Update King here. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing good. So, I am back here for you guys with another video. This time it's for this helmet of mine, AGV. It's a product for this helmet, and so that this what I've ordered here is from Bandidos. There was a sale going on, and so I went ahead, quickly grabbed the offer, and bought this product. Okay, it's not sponsored, nothing sponsored here, everything is bought by my own money. So it's for this baby here, my AGV K1. This is an AGV K1, complete black one. So quickly show what I have bought here, and we'll also go ahead and install this. This is a very useful product for bikers, especially who kind of you do solo rides, group rides, and everything. I'm pretty sure by now you should have guessed it or seen the thumbnail. So yeah, it's that product. It is the Sena. Bought the Sena Parani M10 Bluetooth headset. So let's go ahead and open this and see how it is. I'll also be fitting it first time, and read the instructions, and let's go and fit it on this baby here.
If I saw another day, only to scream into the night. Nothing ever tries to change, even if I want to realize. 'Cause I've been sitting here, same old ways, taking off without the same mistake. Darling, will you go away? It won't be as simple for you.
Alright, so as you guys saw, the most cheapest unboxing video ever on any channel. What to do, not a sponsored YouTuber. So anyways, let's get talking about quickly about the Parani M10. So this is the headset, the Bluetooth intercom I purchased. I'll be putting it on this helmet of mine, the AGV K1. So I just showed you guys, right? So this is the main intercom, the device. Then you get what's this called, the I forgot. Okay, the velcros. Then this is the helmet. this goes onto the helmet, wherein this sits like this. Okay, so this is another one. Let me see, I'll just go through the instructions. So this is the inside mic and the speakers, the charger for the cable to charge your headset. So these are instructions that come along, and think it shouldn't be that tough because I've already used one Sena before, so the fixing is not much difficult. Fully, there are just two clips you see that were attached, and I just unclipped from that, and I'll try to go ahead and fit it now. Okay, this is gonna be a big task. Go out. The thing attached there. Let's see if this sits, attaches to it directly. Then maybe no need to. Oh yeah. Yes, it's satin. There is no need to put this one. It's not required. AGVs already have inside, and it's sitting. See, yeah, this is the one. Oh, this itself came out. God. So it's something like this that is inside the helmet. You know what? It's better I get this padding out. Yeah, make it more easy. Okay, so this is the helmet. This is the interior. So this was there already inside. It's already there here, this part. Both the sides are having. So we'll go ahead and just attach the speakers and the headphones directly. Alright, here we go. So it's satin. Need to push it in there, and then now this sits on this lock. So dado or yeah, success. Solid. Yup. तो अभी ये इसका माइक्रोफोन का वायर जाएगा, ऐसा जाता, ऐसा जाएगा. Okay. Locking the house is just not possible. बाप रे. Anyways, so you need to nicely see the lock. There will be one lock here. So you need to put it back in there. Damn, bro, it's tight. Yeah, go sit in there. Yep, perfect. Done. Ta-da! Yeah, let's feel it. Woo! Sweet. So there you go. This is the Parani for my AGV. Just put it on and see how well it fits. I mean, it should look good. Okay, so it's hi, the black visor, the black visor. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is the device. So let's go ahead and learn how to operate it. Whew. Alright, so I've connected the music and connected the phone, and it's too good. Superb. What sound? Let's dance. Play. Pause. To answer call, tap. To cut the call, tap. Volume. Oh, this is not. Get time to use. Get take time to get used to this. Up, increase, down, reduce. To change the music, press and up, next, down for previous song. Press this and easy, got it, understood. So that's it. I hope this video was informational for anyone looking to fit the Parani on their AGVs. It's good, love it. Now time to take it out and test it on the road, how good it is. Alright, see you until the next